Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video we are finding the binomial distribution values using Python programming language. In a probability theory, the binomial distribution is also known as the discrete probability distribution because of the result of the probability distribution is in terms of failure and success. For example, if we toss the coin, there are the only two possibilities of the outcome, heads or tails. The binomial distribution formula for the random variable x is given by p of x equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, where the n is the number of experiments to be carried out and the x is the finite value from 0 to n and p is the probability of success in a single experiment, q the probability of the failure in a single experiment. Q equal to 1 minus p, where the p plus q equal to 1. The formulas for finding the mean and the variance of the binomial distribution is given by mean equal to np, variance is equal to npq, standard deviation is equal to under root of npq. The Python code for binomial distribution. The first line of the code is from scipy.stats import binom. The scipy is the library of the Python used for the scientific calculations. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. The matplotlib is a data visualization library in the Python. In that library we are taking a pyplot function for the code and then setting up the n and p values. N equal to 6, p equal to 0.6, and then we are defining the r values. The r values is equal to, we are taking a function called list. In that we are passing the function called range, and the range function gives us the range of values from 0 to n plus 1. In the range function, why we are writing n plus 1? Because of the range function gives us the value from 0 to 6, where 6 is excluded. We have included by writing the n plus 1. This includes the 0 to 6. The list function returns the array of the values from 0 to 6. Then we are taking the variable called dist. In that dist variable we are putting the function called binom.pfm. This function takes the argument as r values comma n comma p. This function returns the binomial distribution values for the given r values. Then we are taking the function called plt.bar. This function takes argument r values comma dist comma label for the function is binomial distribution, and then we are printing the inclusive range of values from 0 to 6 and then printing the binomial distribution of the given r values, and then mean equal to binom.stats. This function takes argument as n comma p and returns the mean and the variance of the binomial distribution, and then we are showing the bar plot on the output screen. The function plt.bar gives us the bar plot. We are plotting bar graph for binomial distribution of given r values using matplotlib library. The output of the Python code is given by inclusive range of r values from 0 to 6 and then binomial distribution of given r values, and then mean of the given distribution and the variance of the given distribution. This is the graph output of the binomial distribution Python code for binomial distribution of given r values.